Got ourselves a bully over here. Look at this guy. Letting everyone know this is his turf. Scared this guy away. This guy's traumatized. Now he's having a standoff. Oh, this poor one got exiled. Let's go talk to him and find out what's wrong. Hey! Hey, where you going? Hey, your buddies are that way. Can you tell me what just happened? Sir, I'm talking to you. Sir, can you please tell me what just happened? Look, your friends are clearly over there and you were walking away. Can you please tell me if there was a confrontation? Sir, I know you're being camera shy, but can I just have a few words? Sir, please. Please. Where are you going? Where are you going? The interview was just starting. Oh man. Now he's back in the water with them. What's gonna happen? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Double trouble. Uh-oh. Did I just do this? I hope not. What are we about to witness right here? Alright, they're moving in together. No, never mind. Are they? Nope, I think the confrontation's over. Alright, well, everyone go back to your places. Do your thing. Oh wait, they're on the move. They're on the move. He's right there. They're on the move. They're like, you need to get out of my territory, man. What don't you understand? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. More aggressive. Uh-oh. Oh, they're gonna chase him down. Oh, no, no. Oh, they scared him away. Alright, well, at least they didn't hurt him. It would have been worse. Look at this guy. Showing your dominance. Alright, I don't want to push this guy back in the water because if he goes back in there, this guy, friggin' Mike Tyson over here, is gonna kill him. Look at him, doing his celebration. Yeah! We are the mighty geese. We will prevail. Nobody swims in our freaking water. You've been the weakest link. Goodbye. You are banished. Banish you from my ocean. Now we will live happily together. Oh yes. This almost reminds me of an old Russian beautiful story. Very beautiful. Two geese. They float on together forever. It is love. It is goose love. And with that, my friends, I will say goodbye.